listen to this dog snore. It is so funny. The life of a bee